Sana naman tayo ulit.
Oh. Nick, no need because there is what's that? There is somebody is playing also, sitting down.
Men moet je laten best verraden.
Si Ellen, ha? I told you, be careful. Slowly. Celine, what's that you make pipi? Are you sure? Because we go home na if you make pipi. Ang ingay-ingay ng mga bata. Oh, ito yung playground here and rock gate. You see? That's all. This one is new. It's not the first one that it's before. Not like before this one. This one is good. Oh, slowly goes, okay? See, it's new here. It's not like before talaga. It's not like before. It's not like before. Before is very simply and it's not overloaded. It's not too much people and too much children, but now it's too much already. And the first time that I come here, so it's still in the first one, the new one. So it's very good. Not crowded. Okay, so thank you again for watching. Shout out to everyone again. Thank you very much that you support my YouTube channel. Okay, yala, bye-bye. Night Baghdad, it's already past 10 o'clock at night. Okay, crowded. It's crowded now because it starts the night weekend. So, nag-enjoy lahat ng mga children dito. Okay. Ayan yung mga alaga ko at saka yung friend down niya. Okay. Thank you again and bye.